Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about using a program from Laserjumpstart called Flexit. It's really made to make cone shape. A year or so ago, I made a bunch of cones and showed them on my YouTube channel. But this is pretty cool to make a wrap around a Yeti cup that is not a perfect cylinder. It's tapered up. Now they do have another program called Rapid, but Rapid is more like for perfect cylinders, and it works really good. Now inside of Rapid, it's got some advantages to make the dovetails smaller or more or less, and you don't really have that with Flexit, but you can do stuff like this with a taper. So here's the exact file that I cut out this morning, and you can see my indexing lines. It wouldn't fit on a 12-inch piece of wood, but you could rotate it and make it fit on a 12-inch piece of wood like that. Anyway, it's a pretty cool program. So go to, I use this calculator because they want a radius. So I had 13 inches at the bottom, so my radius is 0.2069. And then I made the other one 13.5 because I made them a little bit longer because it's not taking in consideration the thickness of the wood. So this was 0.14, and I might have done 13 and 12.5. That's what I did. I did 13, and then I did 12.5, and it came out with, well, those aren't my exact numbers. But inside of Laserjumpstart at laserjumpstart.com, there's a program called Flexit that'll do a number of things. So let's just draw one right here. I'm going to go to my cone shape inside of the Flexit. My material is 1/8 of an inch. My kerf on my laser and my wood is 0.08. You need to test your cuts before you waste the wood. The tab length doesn't really matter because I'm not using a lid or a bottom. My height is 3 inches. My bottom radius is 0.06 or 2.069, and my top radius, not much difference, 2.1088. It's 3 inches deep, which is this depth right here. And all you do, and I've got number 10 flexible to be most flexible. I'm going to have 13 or 30, and it gives a little more flexible. And then I check dovetail. The dovetails are pretty important because there'll be no gluing. So there it drew it that fast, and it's dead on. Now by the dovetails, there they are right there, and because of the things actually expanding, and you can see the joints kind of expanding out, the dovetails are, I mean, they were tight to begin with, so they're not going to come off. Now I don't suggest you make one of these for a Yeti cup because it doesn't really need it, because it doesn't get hot or cold or sweat on the outside. It's not going to work like a koozie, and probably doesn't have that much insulation value, but you could use it and actually engrave some wording, company names, either across the whole thing or just in these open lines. And you could play around with these and make them, add to them and take away. Matter of fact, I took away this line right here on both sides to give me a little bit more space. As you can see on the one I made, that line is gone, so there's only 2 where there's 3. They gave me a little bit more space here just in case it was going to try to break. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.